so cold. I don't find gloves. Hands are gonna fall off. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where's Primark? I guess Primark. This place will be better for gloves. There we go. That's much better. Hehehe. Right, I'm going to try and get my drone out and take a picture. Nobody around, so this should be okay. Look, big wheels over there, so I want a nice overhead shot. I want to find somewhere where I'm going to be slightly discreet. I want to kind of get up there a bit. This is the path I was going to sneak along. I'm going to get up there. That's my spot. Right, this is it, I'm doing it. Ah, this smells so cold, man. Pray for Jamie. That was very successful. Better go in for a look. Hello, sir.
How are you, sir? How's it
I'm good, brother. You well?
Great.
On my way to the train. Departs in 7 minutes. It's a 6.5 minute walk. Should be fun. Nearly home. Next stop.
The next stop is Kirkcaldy.
Sky is beautiful tonight. Sky is beautiful. Just getting in my car.